Hello and welcome back, friends. In today's episode, we have got something interesting. Today, we are going to learn how to grow cashew nut plant, and I'm going to teach you that technique right here, right now. Since there is no well explained video on how to grow cashew nut plant at home, that's why this one is for you guys. Let's begin. These are the cashew nut seeds that have been brought from the Amazon market by one of my friend, Niranjan Thapa from India. He gave me these seeds. You can see the cashew nut apple. So now I'm going to tell you how we can grow these. Okay, now put the cashew nut seed in the water and let them soak for more than 5 hours. And then I have prepared the cocoa peat to plant these cashew nut, two of the cashew nut seeds inside them, and I will try two of the cashew nut seeds with paper towel method. Since there is a kind of toxic oil released by this cashew nut seed, I will not put my finger inside them because that might be allergic to my hand, so I'll use a spatula to take them out. In today's video, I will tell you which method is best to grow the cashew nut seeds. First, I am doing the experiment over here, and then I will tell you at the end what is the best possible thing to do before you grow cashew nut at your home. So this is the rooting part from where the root will grow. Now I'll place it towards downward and cover it with the cocoa peat like this. This is my seed number 1 and this is my seed number 2. So now 2 of the seeds I will do with paper towel method. So I have placed them in the paper towel and cover it inside this plastic bag. Since for 5 days there was no change in the paper towel cashew nut seed, so I break them off and now I am taking the cashew nut seed out. You can see the cashew nut seed and you can see the oil in the cover of the seed. Now I'll place those cashews inside the paper towel. After 7 days I see a little bit of change in these cashews. Now I'll check those cashew nut seeds which I have placed in the cocoa peat, and I can see there has been little change in them. You can see they have developed roots, and I'm quite happy that at least the roots are visible. At least my experiment is going well in this cocoa peat. And similarly with the second seed, you can also see the root is coming out. So I'll keep them inside as they were before. So after 9 days, since both the seed number 3 and seed number 4 has grown the roots, so I'll plant these 2 seeds in the cocoa peat I have prepared. So now I'll place these 2 seeds in the Ziploc bag. Here after 12 days I can see a small bird is coming out of seed number 3. So here you can see in my other 2 cashew nut seeds the root has grown too deep, so I plan to cut it off the base of the cup and place that cup over another cocoa peat cup so that the root will get enough space to grow deeper, healthier and faster. So here after 18 days you can see the bud has came off very nice, but there is a fungus, so I used this antifungal powder to remove the fungus from that seed. So in that seed number 2 there is no change has been seen, but in another seed number 1 you can see the cashew is coming out of the seed. And you can see the red root beneath, and you can see the red steam coming out from that seed. So in 19th day you can see the leaves are well grown up, and I am quite happy that the cashew nut experiment has been successful. Okay, and 21st day I'll sow 4 of my seed. The seed number 3, which I have done through paper towel method, the seed has died. So this one failed to grow, and seed number 1 is going very well in this cup. You can see the leaves are very healthy and the root must be going downwards, and you can see in my seed number 2 there is a red white root going round at the bottom of this cup, so I'll also cut the base of it and add another cup beneath it. And seed number 4, it is growing well and the fungus has also been removed, and till now my cashew nut seeds are growing very well. So in day 24 you can see they are going quite good, and there is no problem till now, and I'm quite happy with the result, and I'll keep my update in next video for this cashew plant. So few tips for new growers are: do not go with the paper towel method to grow the cashew nut plant, and do not break the seeds cover until they grow on their own. And finally, the best way to grow the cashew nut seed is by using the cocoa peat, or you can use a normal gardening soil, but it might take a long time. So if you have any queries, please comment below.